On today's installment of Big Al's Garage, I'm exhausted. How y'all doing? I'm Big Al. Welcome to the garage. Today we've got one last little thing, hopefully, to tackle, and we can finally drive the Corvair. For real this time. Fortunately, I noticed one of the exhaust hangers broke last time. So I got this Nixon Hang It All Universal Exhaust Hanger. About $7 at the local Advance Auto. Hopefully it's not too bad a job. Let's get to it. Okay, so let's have a look under here. Camera is not the best. Here is our exhaust hanger. You can see it's completely come off. First, this bolt's got to come off. That is not going to come off easily. Oh boy. Let's let a little pee-pee blaster do its magic, and of course that's going to get all on my exhaust pipes and burn up. We got to get this off in the meantime. Okay, so let's get this clamp dealt with. I really need a full-time camera guy. We just passed 70 subscribers. That's kind of cool. Maybe I'll eventually get this channel monetized. Oh, too much. That'll loosen it up. This old thing off of here, which we are not going to reuse. Figure out what next socket I have to use to take the top guy off. There we go. Hopefully I have new bolts that I can put on here. Because there's something else up top. Oh, yippee skippy. We may have a serious freaking problem on our hands. Lord have mercy. Okay. Well, this job just got a lot more complicated. Underneath the battery tray, which means the battery's got to come out. Okay. Necessity is the mother of invention. I had to wedge these needle nose under here to apply down force on the bolt so that I could turn the nut pendantly of the stud. I was saying, proving most annoying. Indeed. I have to reuse this busted up, rounded off bolt. The rest of the way by hand, it will. By gum, it's off. All right. I win, you lose. Let's get our new one on here. Fortunately, I have to use that dang busted up, rounded off bolt. But, see much of an alternative. All right. We're just gonna bolt this apparatus together. These are halves. Well, actually, I think they're probably metric, but a 1/2 inch will do. Fortunately, I am going to have to use the old bolt for this thing, but it should work. Should. Always the key operative phrase. Good, that's tight. I'm going to leave this one somewhat loose so we have some... Well, I'm an idiot. I'm going to have to do this one with a wrench. There we are. Completed rig. As you can see, the new hanger is in. We should be good to go. That is it for today. I hope you will please like, share, subscribe, and I will catch you on the next installment.